Baka nga pareho kayo eh.
O, tinapon ako.
Saan ako?
Okay, lagyan na ako.
Alam mo, eat.
Tinapon ako sa Rottenville.
May pinababa.
Asa, friends?
Sige, ano?
Sa pinataas.
Ano sa baba?
Ito
Ay,
yung
nakataas
pinakataas.
Ay,
Pinakataas.
sakto nakano ako.
Boy,
I am
Ikot ulit ako.
glider.
Ay, nakalabot ko pala ito yung mantle ko.
Keep him there, pre. Keep him there. Mag-glide ako din.
I'm firing. Laki na? What the fuck?
Did I hit
Ang
mo?
laki.
Kailangan mo pa mag-crawl papuntang camp. Ba't di nilang doorway?
Ang laki niya, gagi.
May pintuan na lang doon.
Lagyan na lang na pinto. I-right click mo lang naman eh.
Pre, what about the panty
Ay,
shot?
shit.
Alright,
Ang laki niya. Look.
Laki niya.
of course, my fucking babies.
Oh my god!
Saan ito
Pre,
nagka?
asa ka?
Alit ang basic
Look
piece
at
na
my
to.
outfit.
Wait
Wait
lang, pre.
Rathalos chest plate. Odogaron chest plate.
It's the same shit, man. It's also red.
Pre, that's my signature. Red.
Ay,
Red.
Hindi nga pala ito yung basic piece.
Oh!
Yeah, plus it's regular lang.
Third time. Pwede ka na iyan din siya, no? Lagyan.
But siya natay.
Naano rin ba siya?
Oo, natamaan siya. Aalis yun to.
Hindi yan.
Kaya pilit yung i-aggro dapat. Aalis na siya.
Okay.
Tay! Kala ko natamaan.
Hingal ako. Dala
Pre,
na lang.
flying. I'm Batman, pre.
Aray ko. Tuhod ko.
Pangat na pwesto. Oh, goodbye.
Kaya nga, pwede na.
That is not Legiana.
Sino yan?
Nasaan
Pre!
ka?
Ayaw ko pigilan.
Nasa Basil Geese ka?
Oo.
Ba't ka na dyan?
Nahulog ako. Ayaw tigilan.
Oh, nalaglag ako.
Mounting it.
Nakatawan din yung lance ni, ano na yun eh. Ni Yun. It's Devil Joe's penis.
Right?
If gun lance is fun.
Yung gun, Lance, tangina. You can see the fucking tip hole. Nasty ass shit, man.
Kompleto mo
Ginamit.
eh. Uncut version na uncut.
Uncut version!
Yeah, I'm not using that one. It's too much.
Kailan ba natin take capture?
I want to capture para more materials.
Okay.
It really is his fucking second tail, man.
Ay, mamatay.
Catherine,
Mamatay
balik
na,
ka dito. Okay.
So,
Okay, akit ba siya?
Patugin na lang. Let's capture. Yay!
Pre, look at my armor, pre. It changed.
You got blind?
Oo, pre. Alam mo sino nagbulag? Behemoth.
Si Bihio. Ay, gagi si... Gago. Ano yun? Ano movie yun?
Sino mo kausap?
Moana, pre.
Kaya
Moana.
kaya mo yan.
You're welcome, pre.
Hindi. Yung patay na bride, tas ano, yung stop motion animation ba yun?
Okay, alam ko yun. Nakalimutan ko yung
Animation?
title. Nakalimutan ko yung title. Kali
Alam
animation
mo, alam
yun.
mo.
Nightmare on Elm Street, pre.
I guess.
Si Freddy Krueger yun eh.
Ito naman si Prince.
Nightmare
Ano,
on
ano,
Elm
basta
Street
yung-
or some shit.
Nightmare Before Christmas?
Pre, alam mo naman, diba? Alam mo naman.
Yun!
Yung parang patay na bride,
Yeah,
tas...
yeah. Sinabi ni
Ano,
Sid,
ano?
sinabi ni
Half
Sid eh.
skeleton?
Yeah, it's a Tim Burton
Yun ba yun?
movie. Alam ko yung sasama ko.
Ayun, ayun.
Nightmare on Elm Street.
Sabay, sinabi lang naman
Frankenweenie
horror
yata, Frankenweenie.
movie.
Kasi he has the fucking yung dog eh. Yung aso niya, no?
Eh,
Mix.
okay. Ano yung sunod, Prince?
Pa rin. Lagyan na pa rin.
Okay.
Lagyan. Ano ito?
Again?
Again. Lagyan. Get this.
Mga weapon.
Low rank hunt. Okay. That's dumb, but yung Pololumu wing high rank, pero yung other parts low rank.
Are you sure?
Ano yung ginagawa
Yes,
mo
Rich.
ulit?
Lagyan na 3.
Ah, okay.
Hindi pa ako tapos na hanggang ngayon.
It's okay, pre. It's okay. Asan yun? Yung
Pre, I
healing
look like
powder na yun. Asan yun?
Healing powder.
Ubus sa akin nung kahapon.
Oh. Kasi, is.
Sabi ko,
Demon powder?
life powder ba?
Life powder.
Life powder, life powder.
Yeah, make life powder. You can bring 10, you can bring 3, tapos 10 to craft mid fight.
Life
If mabilis ka.
Nahanap eh.
Kasi yun ang ginagawa ko rin eh. Agad
Lorap
craft
to,
ako ng ano.
At capture question.
Oh, wait.
Uy, capture na lorang. Wait.
Nashoot ako sa kwarto.
You have to be very careful.
Nangyari sa'yo, Sid? Na-shoot ka?
Sa kwarto.
Na-shoot ka sa
Oh.
part.
In-game, di real life.
On game. Okay.
Napagaling mo naman.
Bro,
Shoot ka sa
shooting in
kwarto.
his room, pre. Lock the door. Yo na kayo, sali na lang ako.
Sige.
Asert namin?
Sali ako. I'm just upgrading something.
Sige. Asert namin yan.
Yep.
Pwede ka, bus na to si Lorang. Lorang Lagiano.
Tapos napatay natin. Tapos ulit tayo. Ulit.
Mega take, hinulog ako sa men.
Panty shot. Ang bata sa Volsac armor na to eh. Linya lang nakikita ko eh.
Linya.
Yung underwear na to pre. Linya lang.
Oo nga no.
Ba't mo tinitignan?
Bro, look at it.
Tinignan, Sid. Dinoble check. I gotta confirm.
Grabe!
Pre. Bro, gotta confirm.
Curiosity killed the cat.
Bro,
Hungry
fucking
man
the
thinks of
cat,
bread,
pre,
gag.
Furious.
Pre, tawag dito. Give a man a fish, he's fed for a day. Teach him how
Okay,
to-
pre.
Okay, pre. A hungry man thinks of bread, pre.
Oo.
Whatever you say pre. Hindi pa rin magbabago na creep ka pa rin.
Kasi yun. Close rings.
I can't move.
I can. Haha. Aray ka, lumipad na ako.
Bulog. Ano?
Ang laki ng dinaglag ko.
Pwede pa naririnig ni
I hate
Prince,
this place.
New catchphrase.
Yung catchphrase ka.
Oh, hello.
Just dito na, dapat. Ano ba? Ay, gumana. It drops slinger ammo. Wait, there, fix that. Shoutouts.
Kawabanga, pre.
Ako ba?
Oh, bongo.
Oh. What? Aray.
Tinitignan ko yung
I was
minimap
in the
eh.
middle of something. Gabagu!
Gabag, oh, gabagu.
Abagul.
Sit down. Get up, gabagu. Down.
Ano yun?
Tagal mag ano.
Sabi ko na pag mamatay.
Ay, mamatay na, mamatay
Okay na.
Ay, okay. Oh. Oh. Oy.
Twins talaga kayo.
Ay, may lang libre naman ginamit ko.
Ako rin, libre rin eh.
Ayan, sabi
Gabagu.
Dante version. Jack!
Jackpot! Ay, pre, kakarating na pala Nick yun dito.
Hello, pre. Angry.
Kaka-farm dun sa taas.
Pero ko ba kayo na gamit?
Full set ako reward. Naka-plate pa ako. Dalawa. Tatlong sack.
Pareho lang pa.
Grabe.
Yun na. Free money. Plus 30k.
Ano ba tayo? Wala pa si Dennis eh.
I'm here, but I'm so
Okay.
tired. Fuck it. If I need to
New tracks at Kobe.
if I need to leave, I'll just go back.
Oh wait,
to
nagawa
Yeah,
niyo
go
yung
to
cold
camp. Go to
storage.
camp lang.
Yeah, I have a forecaster.
Okay, nice.
It's just I'm gonna feel bad because I'm gonna leave
It's
you
fine.
guys. I don't wanna abandon you guys. In the
Bilis ng Sid ah.
Oh,
Okay lang din.
Okay,
Do what
teka.
you gotta do, man.
Walang honey.
I'll just blame my dad. He's the one putting up to this. Always does that.
通りレリークダーネオラとレリークセーテ
Ay, Prince, na-upgrade ko ba yung cultivate? Ano yan? Cultivate. Hanggang number 3. Hanggang 2 lang.
Pwede.
I need
Agad
3. I need 3.
Ipang farm ba? Like, yung harvest or yung farm mismo?
Yung farm mismo.
Yung... hanggang 3 siya. You just have to
Yeah, so
do
does that-
side
why does
quests.
Fancy sa option.
Yun was right. Why does your sword have penises on it?
but that's my comb.
Why do
That's
you
what I
have
said.
so much hair?
Exactly.
You don't have that much hair.
Yes, I do.
On my way. On my way.
You clearly don't.
Pre, you're looking in the wrong spot.
Oh. You know what, never mind. You know what? Never mind. I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
Yung hair ko nasa baba, pre.
Who the fuck would ever comb their pubes anyway? Legit question. Who the fuck would do that?
Fancy people, I don't know.
May
With a hot comb, pre. With a hot comb.
Mustache!
Date night, man. Date night.
Ginagroom, gago.
Naka-rebond ba?
Pag date night.
Nakakariban!
Night.
Diri.
Yeah, man. Date night.
I'm sorry, but I mean, I have a sneaking suspicion people probably wouldn't give a shit about fucking combing your pubes. Really, you should
Pre.
just shave them.
Naka-undercut.
May faded.
At that point, for fuck's sake.
May faded.
Pinalinya pa yung ano.
May gulis.
Ready na kayo?
Line him up, man. Line him up.
Alam niyo na rin sa TikTok, yung mga may portrait na mukha ni Jesus sa likod ng ulo.
voucher on this mission.
Oh, yeah,
Magana kayo?
voucher ako
Behemoth na
dito.
kayo. I wanna see, I wanna see.
Said stream. Ano, mig stream. Mag-lag
Nakakahi
said.
nakakahiya.
Pre, dapat dito walang hiya.
Sabagay.
It's okay. We all go through that something.
Hold
It's
on.
natural.
Hanapin ko lang yung life powder ko.
Wait, I gotta change baka mag-glide. Dala ako ng glider dito.
Eh mga pala, palitan ko yung ano ko, mantle ko.
Where's my goat? Where's my goat? Wait.
Another
equipment.
30 minutes of stress.
Where's my goated combination?
Temporal, vitality, you're in.
Temporal
Oh,
vitality.
nalak yun yung temporal?
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Oo.
Yeah. Temporal
Nice.
vitality na kami.
Naghirapan namin.
Okay.
Ano pala mix yung inis ko? Hindi 5 different 7 different tempered monsters pala. Para makuha natin yung quest pangalak ng
Dash
evasion
juice.
mantle.
7? Okay lang. Drama mo arte.
Ano yun eh? Pag perfect dodge roll ka, damage buff.
Ano?
Evade mantle. Ano ba yan?
Yes.
Medyo, hindi ko alam. Baka hindi ko
Nakuha ko na yung quest eh.
Sasama na lang ako.
Sayang lang, no? Sayang lang.
Ako. Lumilipad kasi ako eh. Wala na ba lang nakalimutan?
I'm multitasking right now.
We
Habang
need
ginagawa niyo.
flawless comms.
Over there,
Where's
right
my, ano?
here.
Right here!
Here's everybody.
Ayun, ayun.
I am good, I am good.
Nandun, Billy!
Oh,
Everybody,
that's mine.
come together. Stand in this. Stand in. Oh yeah, let's stand in a circle right here. Over here.
Ay, voucher ko. Bahala na.
Huddle pre, huddle.
Huddle up.
Sid.
Huddle up.
Ah! Naka-ready na ako.
Yeah, we're just. All right. You ready? Let's do this.
Wait. I gotta hit this post.
Okay.
Bye, Prince.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
friends.
We'll see
I'm
you
watching.
also-
No, I'm watching.
we'll
Like,
see
See you on
Naka-ping
the other side.
From the top yung
you on the other
yung
side.
stream
once
is
we're just gonna go get our
the
asses kicked real quick.
Ay,
Pre, you'll go up. You'll go next if Gojo dies, pre.
ay, pag may namatay sa atin, maglilip to split si Prince.
Dash juice. More
Good luck,
stamina.
gang.
Let's go.
On all,
Sid, bato, ikaw.
ako sa likod lang ni Sid.
All right, I'm gonna go for the rear. I will put focus on the tail specifically.
Okay.
Thank you, Kyun. I'm gonna stand back
Wait
to
for me.
avoid the roar.
Pull mo na.
Yeah.
No. Oh, pala ko yung agro.
Okay.
Okay, let me just hop.
Sabi mo ko yung okay.
Stone sprint. He's right there.
Wala pa ba?
Hindi
Malayo pa?
Malayo pa sa amin eh. Okay.
Ayan, that. Nice.
Nice.
Isa pa.
Lap punta.
Nandito na ako. Okay, kupunta na siya sa akin.
Focusing on the tail. Oh,
Never
shit,
mind. Pupunta
No.
kay Dennis.
Nakuha yung agro.
Yes. Come to us.
Ayan, okay na yan. Nice.
Nice, okay. Now go ham.
3,000 damage yan. Pwede na yan.
I cast rock.
Dude, nakuha ko yung healing. Give me one. Nasa akin yung tornado, nasa akin.
Tornado sa'yo. Okay.
Nawala.
Na-cancel ba?
Na-cancel.
Nice one. Na-cancel ka.
Oh shit! I got shouldered.
I'm fine.
I got shoulder checked. I'm healing.
Number 3? Bakit number 3 nasa ulo niya?
Apparently.
Vitality man.
Ayun, 1. Kompleto na ako.
Nice.
God damn.
Tatalikod. Bounce.
Tail.
Oh,
Tornado kanina.
Nasa akin, nasa akin, nasa akin, nasa akin. Nasa akin.
Nasa akin na yung aggro. Sige, dito na lang. Kusan ako.
Ay, nasaan?
Okay, let's dance, bro. Let's dance.
Kapit lang.
Dash is heat. Dash your stupid aim.
Pangano? Tatlong beses yun.
Tanggal tail.
This one.
Nice!
Nice one. Bilis ah.
Agro.
Okay, lapit, okay, lapit, okay, lapit. Ibayin ko posisyon eh.
Dito ako muna, Catherine. Wag muna daw.
Oh shit, I got one.
Okay, go. Pwede na, pwede na, pwede na, pwede na.
Move.
Layo ng tinalan ah.
Ibayin ko. Pupunta pala to sana. May butas pala.
I will take his tail. Give me a tail, bitch. The first one, not the second one.
Shoulder. Ayun, one.
Oh, he's casting on me. Oh, I'm
Okay, tatalon siya sa akin, tatalon siya sa akin.
okay. Oh,
Okay, I'll hold him here.
Vitality mantles down.
Nice one!
Nasaan?
Next stage, next stage. Bilis
Sharpen
ah.
up, sharpen up, sharpen up.
Yeah.
Shit, my sharpening is slow now.
Ow! Nasa akin yung tornado. Nasa
Yeah.
akin.
Nasaan?
Trying to get his attention.
Oh, it's on me, it's on me. Taking it away.
Sige lang.
Ah.
Tatalikod.
Time to bounce.
Oh, comment. Put it somewhere nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nasa akin yung agro.
Away from that area.
Okay.
Oh, it's on me again. What the fuck? Take it away.
Okay.
Couldn't put it quite against the wall, but close enough. Oh, oh.
I will, temporary.
Yeah, I gotta use it. Uh-oh.
Dapat mamatay sa inyo.
I put it up just in time.
Wala pa.
Holy shit.
That's good. That's good.
Oh,
Hindi ko makuha-kuha. Wait lang, hindi ko natamaan ng ulo.
guiding in the tornado like a bitch.
Up, sa akin. Layo ko na lang dito.
Nandun siya sa tornado eh. Tumama yan?
Okay, hopefully.
Nasa akin.
Tornado.
Alright, take it away, take it away.
Pinagsama ko sa tornado.
Okay, nasa akin yung aggro. Sigurado. Pag nagano to.
Malas.
My mantle's almost done.
Comment.
Nasa
Okay.
gitna.
Oh shit, he might break that. Be careful.
Dude, ang malas ko. Hold on. Nasa akin ulit yung
Temporal na
tornado.
ako.
Yung tornado.
Oh, I mounted him. I mounted him.
Nice one. Na-cancel yung tornado.
Focusing on the horns.
Nice.
Oh, brace. Oh my god. Bracing on him can consume so much stamina.
Dennis,
Yeah,
you can...
Dennis, never brace. Just swap
Yeah, you
areas.
can switch positions. Move by move button.
Never brace.
Flash flurry. Let's go.
Nasaan?
Nice.
Somebody go for his horns.
Going.
Time to bounce.
Sana aggro
Tikas
na
ng
siya.
katawan eh.
Time to...
Tatakbo ko.
Tikas
As
ng
far as I
katawan.
can
Talaga
get it.
yung ting 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 ting.
Kaya nga eh.
Hopefully aggro na. Flash,
Ay-
someone.
Wait, it's on me. It's on me.
Hold on.
Flash,
Yeah.
flash.
I need a flash. Where's my flash?
Si Sed na.
There it is.
Si Sed na.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Nice, na-reset na. Leo kayo, dala nyo dito. Kanino?
Wala pa eh. Ano ginagawa niya?
He's blind. I think he's blind.
Oh yeah, he got blinded. Hindi niya lasan niya kas.
Yeah, I can't see.
Oh shit. Ay, nasa akin. Lalayo ko doon. Didikit ko dito ulit. Nice. Napwesto ko mayas.
Agitator's worn off.
Tagal, natin ko siya gumalaw ah.
I'll just bring him in here.
Nasa akin
You,
yung ano.
you okay?
Okay lang. Tornado na naman
It's
sa
on you,
akin.
it's on you.
Yep.
Ayun na.
Oh my god. Oh. I'm fine.
Took a big
Walang
fucking
buntot. Okay, narinig ako.
Gusto ba yun?
Sorry na.
My bro's tired.
Piklip
Ayun.
meteor.
Tabi tayo,
Third stage na
behemoth.
agad kayo.
Tabi tayo, behemoth.
Gagi.
Hey, what are you guys doing over there?
It's fine.
Nice, no death pa.
Third stage. Hindi naman basic.
Okay, cleanest run so far. Pre.
We can do this.
Let's keep going, keep going.
Ooh, mining.
There is
Ako
no
na
mining.
lang. Ako na lang.
Okay.
Blame that.
Don't mine. Mining is fine.
Yan eh, si heal if no one's in the zone.
Ako na lang.
Oh.
Mali yung ginawa ko.
Oh yeah, right.
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! I'm about to die.
1-1-1. Yang.
Shit, none of my mantles are ready.
Ako na. Ikot. Ay, nice, na-cancel.
Ang pangit ng tail attack
Ikot.
na yan.
Whoa!
Never mind.
Ah, miss me, bitch.
That's one.
Oh, I'm going for a tail stump.
Nice.
Nice, oh.
Na-interrupt yung ano niya.
I need to bounce.
Ay,
Maganda ba?
Medyo pangit.
Whoa!
Ah, dude, 3 beses siya na-interrupt.
Oh, nawala pala ako ng stamina
Oh
dun.
my god.
Wala ako ng stamina dun.
Ano?
Mali na gamit ko.
Wait. Anyone potion now.
Tara.
Oh, hindi na ako
Nice.
ready sa akin.
Nice.
Sige na ako namatay doon.
Gagi.
Nag-grab ako.
Wala na ako left powder.
Holy
Okay.
clutch.
Okay, ako na lang.
It's hitting him.
Mag-exit potion ako.
Ready na yung life powder ko.
Okay, tatakbo ko siya dito.
Our life powder's also at the ready. Oh shit, I think I need to
This
give
is-
two. I'm going.
Okay. That's one.
Oh, no, never mind. He's here. Dude, you gotta take an antidote.
Ayun na. Hindi, okay lang. One attack lang yan. Pupunta sa akin.
Okay, nasa gitna yung isa.
Oh shit!
Okay, I'll try not to get too far away.
Sharpen lang ako.
I'm healing.
Kung kaya mo, lagay mo sa gitna.
Blocking this.
Oh, that's amazing. Agitators went off. Ow! Shit! Oh no.
Fuck. Patay ako.
Okay,
Oh
that's
no.
Hindi ko na-stun ako sa baba niya.
Gagi, muntik yung mix.
Kaya nga eh.
Muntik yun.
Kailangan ako. Survive.
Wala akong first buff mix.
Antay ko si Queen, doon ako magbaba.
Oh, ako na mag-rush. May mantle ako.
Ay,
Sige. Kung sino may mantle, sana muna.
Oh wait, my vitality mantle is ready.
Bakit nagiging heal? Oh my god, nakakainis.
No, I don't wanna stake!
Oh, dito na ako.
Ah, saan?
No!
No!
Okay lang.
I fucking got sandwiched!
Catherine, lumapit ka doon. Thank you.
Oh, nandiyan ka na.
Nasa akin comment. Maganda yung pwesta.
Okay, okay.
Okay, nice.
Pwede, pwede.
I'm gonna flash him real quick.
Oh, Q, that's kinda...
Ah, mali ko yun. I got too much. Too baby.
Stay alive.
Masira.
Whoa.
Kulit ako dun.
Sabi lang mabilis.
Hey.
Grabe! O, tanggalan mo agad yung mantle mo, naubos na.
Yeah.
Mag-reset yung timer.
Oh, he's
Wala
destroyed
ko malapit na ako sana.
Oh, he destroyed all the comets though. Shit.
No, hindi.
Come on, you big, ugly
Then-
motherfucker.
Ayun na.
Oh.
You about to do
Hindi
it?
pa.
Oh, no. No,
Sinampal
not
ako.
me. Don't look at me.
Peter?
I hate that shit. That's the worst move niya, yung kapik na yun. Kasi ang bilis.
Oh,
Have
bilis
to
yun.
short it. Cover me.
Yeah.
Don't let him hit the comets. What you fuck?
Nakamatay na. Oh,
How?
Oh my god, di ko namanan.
never.
Oh,
Mickey,
no!
you gotta run.
You can't,
Teka.
you can't, napin siya.
Kayo?
Napin na ka.
Nice, nice.
Spamming it.
Okay na ako. Nasa ka ni Comet. Matino yung pwesto. Matino ba? Pwede rin.
Okay, magandang pwesto.
Malapit yung mga
Comment ba tong nasa baba niya? Okay. Sorry. Hindi ko lang kung comment yun na hindi.
Nice, he summoned another egg.
Sige lang isa.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Sa akin.
Q, no!
Oh,
May hit
no.
ka, Dennis.
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang.
I got
Hindi, okay siya. Sa akin yung aggro.
Oh no.
Yan nata.
Okay na ito. Layo lang kayo. Kaya ko to.
Okay.
Please, come on. We're doing so well.
Heal ka lang.
Yeah.
Oh no, I gotta get away.
Ayun na ba?
Hindi, pagod.
Pagod na.
Kunin mo itong opportunity na ito.
Okay, there it is. Nakapwesto na ako.
Ako rin?
Just crouch to be double sure.
Woo! One more, pre.
One more, last stage.
I'm falling.
No one die. Let me just get rid of my bleed. Hanggang kanina pa ako nagbe-bleed. Okay.
Point, tagal mo sa
Last
bleed
stage,
na
last
yun eh.
stage.
Come on, this is
Buong
it.
fight na yan, nakableed ako. Hindi ko maalis-alis. Buti may healing ako.
Bottom stage na to.
Temporal
Last stage
mantle.
na.
Yeah.
Matamaan mo ako yun.
This is where he gets very aggressive eh.
Sorry.
You know. Ang aggressive niya dyan, gago. Kaya.
Dennis, it's on you. The tornado, it's on you.
Oh shit! Come on.
Okay, nasa corner. Kinda.
Oh, let's move. We need to move him. Mag-rebuff ako.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Oh my god,
Nag-i-spam.
Nabreak ako dun, ah.
Nag-i-spam na to na skill eh.
Yeah, spam lang siya na spam dito.
Nakalimang steps.
If you can get a second mount, that'd be great. Tornado kanino?
Nasa akin.
Okay, siya.
Oh my god, his eyes are so scary.
I'm surrounded.
Okay na sa akin. Tatakbo ako.
Oh damn! This is it!
Gonna put it in this corner. Dito sa corner na to.
Nakaninit na.
This one.
Uy!
My
Sakto
mantle
yung temporal ko.
Pamikisutin ko yung vitality ko.
Whoa!
Para sure,
Nice one,
para sure,
nice one,
para
nice
sure.
I mounted him again!
Nice,
this
nice,
Nice
nice.
one.
Come on, you big ugly motherfucker!
Di sa bot niya.
Hit his ass!
Kabot. Napakatigas.
Flash flurry! Fuck, doesn't work. Another one!
Boom.
Put bombs on
Para
him.
sure.
Asan?
Nice!
Nice
Nice one.
one.
Hard.
Nice, 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 nice.
Yeah, there's someone coming here. I'm scared.
300 plus.
Alis kayo, alis kayo, alis kayo, alis kayo, alis kayo.
Yeah?
Uh-oh. Time to go! Time to go! Time to go!
Helicopter.
Putang
tornado.
na, lumipat ako.
Oh, it's up. Let's put the tornado. Oh.
I have vitality.
Ah.
I have
Wait,
vitality.
okay, 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 okay lang.
Gotta sharpen, sharpen.
Kaya. May ano ako, may max potion ako.
Oh.
Okay. Back in action, back in action.
Okay.
Wala na. Re-aggro.
No, I'm about to die. Fuck, I gotta heal.
Tumataas yung kibok ng puso ko. Sa pumashin.
Put this on.
Oh.
I'm fine.
Light work.
Wow.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Dodge.
I live.
Weave. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh no.
Nice.
Oh, he's looking at me.
Wala naman ako.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh.
Thank you, temporal, thank you.
Oh.
Nakakainis.
Oh.
Sapay. I hate that
Enter ka
fucking move.
palagi.
Dude, that's the worst move ever. I hate it. Di ko ma-dodge kasi ang bilis.
How funny ka. Nakakainis.
Okay, nice one. Temporal.
No, I hate yung fucking, when he does the fucking yung paw thing, yung paw swipe. Parang aso.
How funny nga eh. Parang di bagay sa kanya.
Ayun, comment. Nandito.
At least nasa akin.
Nice.
So,
Don't let him break it.
sorry sa pwesto.
We have to lure him away from.
Hindi ko napansin.
Wala.
Oh,
We, really? Don't stand up. Oh my god, thank you. Di ako tumayo agad.
Oh my god.
Oo.
Gumana yung sinabi ko na tayo na lang.
Nasa akin yung tornado. Nasa corner.
Nakuha ko.
Fine.
Okay, I'm gonna try to not be so far this time.
Tanda mo, nasa corner yung ano,
Oh my God.
comment ah.
Okay, dito lang ako.
I'm fine.
Oh no,
Bring
no,
it, fuck.
I'm about to die.
Ay, nakalimutan ko mag-sharpen. Bahala na muna.
Back up potion.
May ano, temporal.
Things
Oh.
swipe it.
I hate the fucking swipe, man. I'm telling you. It's the worst shit ever.
I'm back in the game. Go for it, okay.
Asan?
Nice. Good damage.
Isang move siya. Bagsak.
Oh,
Tatalikod ulit yan.
Meteor.
Meteor. Nasa akin yung meteor.
Oh, okay.
Or na kay Dennis, I mean. Sa area ko. Okay, may ano na ako. May meteor na ako.
I'm going back. Healing.
Hindi ko magamit.
Charge na pa.
Stay
Woo!
on.
Magkakrak na yung ano, comment.
Careful.
Okay, layo ko ng konti.
My bad.
Oh.
This is the farthest I can make it. Dito banda.
Just a little
Okay.
longer.
Kinakabahan mo.
Okay. Get fucked.
Oh, nice one.
Battalion missile.
Free. Nawala na.
Oh, mid-air ako nun.
shit.
Oh my god,
Okay.
crack. Layo natin.
We have to be super careful.
Rebuffing ulit.
Healing ako.
He's tired.
Ari ko.
Nasira niya.
Lala.
No.
Ang layo ng pwesto. Dito lang tayo. Dito lang tayo sa banda na to.
Ay, nasa akin yung tornado na.
Okay, dyan mo lagay, dyan mo lagay. Dito tayo, kusan ako, dito tayo, kusan ako. It's the only viable place.
Tingnan. Oh my god!
Nasira, nasira.
No!
Oh no.
Nasira!
What do we do?
Okay. Okay, let's hope meron pang isa.
Wait, everybody, stay at the entrance to this area. If we have to run. If Cedric's on you.
Nice one, nice one.
Next one. Go, 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 go.
Attack! Oh shit, he's back on his feet.
Bilis ka.
Okay, nasa akin, nasa akin, nasa akin. Bantayin nyo ha, if may meteor. Tatakbo ko
We
to.
have to run. Run!
Oh.
We lost.
No, we can still make it.
No, we lost. We lost.
No, we lost, we lost, we lost, we lost, we lost.
Oh.
Okay. Oh,
Slade!
Fucking give
Slade!
Slade ulit.
Napatay yung gago. Yeah.
Duty
If he
free.
does
Hindi ko nga
that,
na-party
it's ecliptic, ano. Oh.
I fucking hate this monster!
sayang yan eh.
Sayang.
Okay, next.
Porno.
Next round.
Dude. Kasi
Go
if
next,
he
go
does that,
next.
tapos na kayo eh. Heck, you're done.
Yeah, nangyari na yan
Sayang.
last time.
Nangyari
Hindi
na.
nangyari last time sa amin.
Ah.
I hate this
Ah,
goddamn
let me
monster
reload,
so
let me
goddamn
reload.
much.
Wala ba kayo?
Hindi,
Wait,
good, good
baka
first try,
ba
good first
Firecaster
try.
if nag, ecliptic meteor?
Hello?
Bawal.
Hindi, ano ng ecliptic, disabled ng forecaster.
Ah, okay, okay.
What if na-predict
Buti,
natin?
pwede siyang itakbo.
Wait, hold on.
Pwede siya palang itakbo.
The package is here.
Hindi,
I'll be back.
sige.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Hindi ako umabot eh. Ay, visit. Ang layo ko nun eh.
Pwede pala siyang itakbo.
Hindi ako umabot.
Sayang, gago.
Sayang yung pwesto natin sa dalawang meteor na yan, di malas. Yung comet,
氷レリークダネオラとレリーク
sirain
セー
sila.
Walang honey. I broke.
Bound na ako pang craft ng ano? Life powder.
Yeah, 10 ang pwede mong ibawan.
Ano ba di ko
Up to
kailangan?
10. Why did I
Di ko
join
kailangan-
this?
Di ko kailangan ng traps.
Can I buy? Ano ba pwede?
Pwede yun, there's a other way to dodge din yung attack ng meteor na yun. Yung ano,
Yung emote, yeah, but
yung
we
emote,
can't time.
yeah. Yeah, ang hirap i-timing no.
I'll try. If wala talaga. Lalagay ko sa ano ko.
Yeah. If no choice.
Lang lagay ko
yun
sa...
na lang. Wala talagang choice, yun na lang.
Okay.
Ayan, lalagay ka. Sige.
Grabe, nakada na adrenaline ako. Umiinit yung mukha ko.
Oh, sayang. What if bumili ako
Yeah,
ng
man, the
healing?
blood. Ano yung kinakain nyo na food?
Yung chef pa rin. Oh well. May healing na ako na bug. Patapat ka sa'yo, Ken.
Okay.
Tamaan mo na rin yung powder.
I need de-stress. Twitter.
Back.
Na-stress lang lalo sa Twitter.
Hindi yan, pre.
Ooh, ano kayo maganda pangalan sa kanya?
Guys,
na.
I need to de-stress. I will BRB shower, quote unquote.
Ako na magdi-distress ako, iihi ako. Teka lang.
I need to find.
I need
where
to
the
retreat
hell
to
can I
the
get
bathroom,
ingredients?
pre, for like
Where the
2
hell can I get
minutes.
ingredients for more demon drugs?
Might seeds.
Might see siya.
Mites. Oh, hold on, let me look at the crafting list. Might seed. How do I get okay, I need a catalyst. Where the fuck do I get?
Ang lala nun, 26 minutes per run.
Yes, man.
The fact na meron siyang ano eh, extreme version.
I wanna fight extreme.
Yeah, hindi ko pa fight ni
Pero
extreme.
master rank na lang.
Nah, man.
Master rank gear pag extreme. Duga.
Easy na lang man siya.
This is the most infuriating fucking.
Hello?
Dude, wait till Elden Ring.
Meron akong ano, may bago akong
You
bug.
know what? Maybe I
Ano?
don't want Elden Ring.
Ampon siya. Pangalan niya Xiao Walker.
Xiao?
Xiao!
Asian?
Dragon?
Holy.
X-I-O. Xiao? Ano?
AO?
Yeah. Xiao.
Bros Chinese, holy.
Ampon na ano. Ayun, natry mo itsura niyo. Ibang iba.
Pero mo Kamen Rider.
Na nga, no?
Kamen Rider. I heard Kamen Rider. What about Kamen Rider?
Anyways, pangalan niya Xiao Walker. Healing siya.
Shaw Walker.
Tamaan niyo yung
Oh.
ano niya. Powders niya. Max level. Wait a minute. Saan tayo? Ano yung start na ba?
Not me. I don't have camps.
Ako pala. Sorry.
Yes, bro.
Special. He gets it with his eyes. Okay, I need to. He take it with his eyes. Join guys.
Sino ba? Si Rani ba nag-write na ito?
House harness. Nasira yung doll niya.
Why are you talking like Mike Tyson?
I don't know. Join na kayo.
Wait for me.
Pre, Prince, I couldn't
Ay.
feel your support.
How?
Pre, cheer us on.
Sige.
Gambari
Pre,
said
nasa
to...
yung gambare.
Ay, sige, kaya ba yung hinanap mo?
Ganbare.
Titanong ko lang si Mix sa mga like ano eh.
Dude, ang pangit. Kapit naman ko siya sa ulo. Hindi ko makukuha yung 1. Makukuha yung 3. Ewan ko bakit.
Okay, wait. If natalinan si Behemoth tonight, available daw si Soda.
Let's
Mamaya.
go.
Natalo natin.
Makaras
Dito
na siya.
talo.
Pre, if there's a chance.
Okay.
Okay. Ako na bahala mag-carry ng ano.
Okay.
Nang.
Yeah, biswisi ka.
Hindi, ako lang. Sanay naman ako eh.
Narinig ba yung biswisi ka?
Yeah, narinig.
Yeah.
Okay lang.
Wait lang, Sid.
I don't get fell on
Gotta eat.
I don't get
Changing my
fellow
decoration.
out.
I don't get.
Slide
I don't
die
give a-
behemoth.
ano.
Fine.
Fine. You caught me. Don't get fellow
It wasn't Blythe or EG. Tell Blythe and EG and you.
And you.
I don't remember that part.
Okay. Mid extender ako.
Artanith cannot become a Loth. Ano ba mga voice line?
Oh, Tarnath.
Maidenless always.
Shout at Metal Left.
Warrior!
Wars is Seth. Hindi ko kaya.
Uy, buti pa si ano, A-lister sabi Gambare.
Oh, smallest.
You didn't say Ganbare. Oh wait. Oh, okay. That's just.
Alright,
I'm,
oh my
I'm
God.
Japanese.
All right.
Gambare,
There he is.
Ano ba yun sa Chainsaw Man yung tinubok yung heart ni Denji?
Wala pa si Seda. Wala yung si
Don't
Seb.
attack him until matamaan siya ng dalawang ano.
Eh,
Oh, duro ka. Dali! Okay.
big pose.
Wala pang
Yeah,
isa
I'm
eh.
gonna go for the other one.
Number 1.
Oh my!
Layo,
Oh my god.
layo ng tinala na.
He was ready for that. He's learning.
Pre! May galit sa akin. Okay, lapit na.
Ang bilis ng pag nakita.
He's spamming
Oh.
meteor, man.
Natuto siya kay Catherine.
He's
Learn from
spamming
the
meteor.
best.
Fuck off. Fuck dito.
Anyan, lumiko dito ah.
Kaya nga eh.
Tornado na sa'yo.
Tornado sa akin.
Doon pa din.
Ito na Sed, ito na, ready ka na.
Nice, 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 nice.
Nice
There
one.
we go.
That's for hitting me.
Hey, hit that fucking move.
Yung swipe.
The swipe, man. Para siyang aso.
Ating aso nga siya.
He's a very angry
Ow.
dog.
So, susugod ba siya sa akin? Okay.
Rob, let me hit you. Not like that.
Not gonna lie. Parang usong si Xiao, Walker ah.
Yung healing.
Yo, ay heal ako mid-air eh.
Ow.
Gusto ko itapat sa harapan niya eh, para si Kin ma-heal.
Okay, okay.
Tornado, tornado.
Eh sayang,
I'm fine, I'm fine.
Oh,
Sa-
Miguel, you
Sa
got
akin.
saktong alis sana ako
I
dun eh.
got it. I got it.
Oh shit. Wait, who's Emily?
Oh
Oh,
my
okay. It's on cue. It's on cue.
If you need to heal, clutch claw the green spots.
Green spots.
My green spot.
They're everywhere.
Oh, those things. Those things.
Bro.
Sorry. I was looking at the mini map for a moment.
Oh, natamaan ako ng katana mo, Sid.
My bad.
It's okay. I forgive.
You are forgiven.
You forgive but not forgive.
Oh.
I got a sharpen.
Tanggal.
Oh, ngina. Nabigla ako.
Nice
Kala ko
one.
tumalon sa akin. Oh, takot.
I got you, Kun.
Ay, ginagawa mo, Dennis.
It's a C-fit. It's a-
Sorry, I accidentally pressed circle when I meant to press square. What's like that?
Pre, I just realized, none of us have been fucking tenderizing him this whole time.
Meron sa...
Pwede na yan.
Oh, ikaw pala.
Get the tail, get the tail.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, tail,
Wala na
tail,
ako.
tail, 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 tail,
Someone
tail.
go, someone go, someone go. Napindo ko eh.
Balik
Nasaan ka
tayo
ba
sa-
madalas,
Ay,
Kin,
na-
kapag nasa harapan
don't
niya?
need it. I don't
Nasa
need
dibdib
it.
ka ba niya?
Ano? Ano?
Nasa chest ka ba niya madalas?
I try to be sa ulo, pero yes.
Sige, lagi ko si Xiao sa ulo. Baka may makuha kong healing.
Nice one.
Oh my god, give me
Sharpening.
one.
Oh no!
Thank you, Shao.
Oh no.
Tornado, tornado, tornado.
Who's it on? Oh,
Me.
okay. Healing.
Nasa akin yung Comet. Maganda yung pwesto.
Good. Okay. Tatakbo ko. Dito na lang kung saan ako ngayon.
Madaming
Yeah,
healing
get it away
mid-air
from
ah.
the comments.
Sobrang daming healing.
Tapos put it here.
Try ko lagay si Shao dyan.
Sige, if kaya. Ay!
Ay, na dyan.
Kala ko, no, may comment sa akin.
Dandaris likod niya.
Nice one.
Okay. Okay lang, okay lang. I'm still blocking. Thank you, guard up.
He's beginning to believe.
Woo!
Oh no! I'm about to die. I gotta run.
Oo.
Nasa akin yung Comet.
Ay, powder.
Nasa akin yung Comet.
Coming.
Medyo pangat. Nasa dulo. Paano ko to? Headshot.
Sobra clip siya sana.
Ay, wala na pala akong ano.
Thank you very much. Oh, it's paralyzed!
Nice one.
Sige, paralyze mo muna yan. I need one really bad.
Tornado. Nice, na-cancel.
Oh, you cancel it? Nice.
Na-cancel.
How did you do that?
He just got staggered at the same time.
Oh, fuck. Haha!
Nasa akin ni Comet. Maganda yung pwesto.
Ah, not bad. Pwede.
Oh god, my weapons were very dull.
Tornado ulit.
Nakaisid.
Run, you Cedric.
Okay.
Sa akin ulit.
Nice.
Layo ko ng konti. Nakatutok siya sa ano.
Carpeting.
Pwede lang.
Baka masira niya.
Okay na.
May tornado sa likod mo.
Yep, okay lang. Kaya ko itong bounce. Woo!
No!
Kaso nasira na yung nasa akin.
Ay,
Lapit kayo sa nasa Comet. Prep kayo sa Comet. Dito na lang ako para sure.
Nice.
Kamat may pre.
May healing dyan sa harapan mo ah.
I'm ready. Okay, dito siya.
He's accidentally targeting this comet.
Ako ka, no?
Hindi, okay lang.
I don't think Thunderbolt's
Malapit naman kami sa isa eh. Tamaan pa sa buka. Layo.
Oh my.
ay, pwede. Thunderbolt.
Sige, pre.
scared. I don't know when he's gonna do it.
He usually summons
Napatalikod
like
siya.
3 or 4.
Oh,
Sakto rin. Alis ka dun ah.
Nawala, na-reset. Takbo niyo, layo niyo.
Then,
doesn't even have a tail.
Nasa akin yung
Tornado mix.
On me.
Take it away.
That might be it position.
Ayun
Yep.
na.
Yes, it is!
Nice one.
oh, dito!
Okay guys.
Ay, Beamon.
After him!
Ako na lang.
Travel lang. Amit.
Sige lang, ako na lang nabusog.
You're gonna jump!
Plantel lang.
Get Dark Souls. Bitch. Vitality na nga ako. Hindi ko pa ginagamit. Masyadong malakas sa loob to.
I gotta run! work.
Kaya okay lang, wag niyo na flash.
Oh, sagad.
Whoa, fuck.
Thank you, Vitality.
Kaya nakita ko eh.
Oo.
Oh, you gotta get away.
Anong attack yun?
Ready na max push. Sige. Oh,
Oh, fuck. Oh, thank you,
Ah, naka-
thank you, thank you, thank you. You're
Alisin mo yung bleed mo.
yeah.
What?
One down.
One down.
I was on full health!
Okay lang. Ay,
Ano
kailangan ko
ka?
lang
Nasakit ka,
mag-repost
nasakit ka.
Nice one.
Oh, I hate this guy so goddamn.
Eto na, ready na kayo.
Okay. Sira ang horn ko.
Never mind.
Wow, ako. Sira ko yung horn niya.
Nice one. Boom! Nice. Gambare, sir.
Naka na ba yung tail niya?
Hay,
Yeah,
hay.
nakat na yung tail.
Okay.
Oh, ito na.
Gambare,
Nasakit na.
Comment.
Headshot.
Don't let him.
Nasa akin.
Uh-oh.
Nasa akin.
It's on Miguel.
Kasi immune to flash na. Okay, nice. Hindi pa. Na-reset na.
Can he be coming
Never
with
mind.
Flash?
Reset na ba?
No?
No.
Yes, na-reset na.
Okay.
And also, yes, he gets immune to flash if we do it enough.
Oh no, he almost hit the meteor. He almost hit the comet.
Oh.
Spin pa yan? Okay, time to bounce. Nasa akin ni Comet.
Same here.
Nasa gitna.
Eh.
Oh,
Oh, comment.
Yung Comet nasa gitna.
Okay. Solid na.
Sobrang bit lang.
Kanino?
Akin? No. Hindi sa
Wala
akin.
pa.
Oh, hit the comet.
It's on Dennis.
No, it's not. He is now.
Nice.
Trying to melt him. Ah!
Asahan natin.
Time to bounce.
Hindi, wala pa siyang aggro. I'm trying to get... Ay, comment! Pangit sa akin!
Sharpen lang ako.
Hindi ako makalis eh.
Arik.
Lipat niyo peso. Babaan niyo siya.
Oh my god, thank you.
Dun sa harapan niya.
I need to sharpen too. Oh no.
Lumiko.
Oh!
Oh my lord, paalisin niyo siya dyan.
Sharpening. What?
Shit, sino yun nandun?
Hindi, okay na yun. Pwede na yung pwesto na yun.
Let's
Pwede
go.
na yung
Doon
pwesto
na
na
tayo,
yun.
doon na lang. Okay na dyan.
Ow!
Tagal lang ano kasi.
Kill.
I knew it.
Oh no. Running away.
Lucky dance.
I'll take it. Aha!
May ano pa ako life powder.
Ako rin. Okay, nakuha ko. Finally. Tatalagod ko siya dito ah. Pwesto
Wala.
kayo sa bato. Okay lang ako. Laban layo ba? Okay.
Feel ko mas maganda sa kabila side.
You're not gonna make
Dito na lang. Paharap ko siya dito.
Kung nasan yung bato mo, Kin, yung
Wait
ano?
lang.
Kung nasan bato mo.
Hindi. Papatalikod ko siya. Give me a second. Ayun, pupunta na siya sa akin. Pagising niya. There we go.
Nasa harapan ako.
Maharap dyan eh.
another comet.
Nakised.
That's not a nice place.
Okay, pwede na.
Whoa. Hey, easy boy.
Malapit na.
Palayo na, palayo. Lalayo ko. Babalik ko ulit. Ay na. Wait lang. Okay.
Oh no! Destroy the comet!
Okay lang yan.
Wala.
Still got 3 more.
Ingat sa dalawa eh, magkatabi.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Look at me.
Ay, uwi. Umabot yun sa akin.
Oh my god.
Lumalayo. Wala na yung agro, wala na yung agro.
Healing ako.
Oh, he's focused on me.
Mag-buff muna ako sa inyo.
Asan?
Nasa akin?
Masira. Oh my god, put in the dodge. Yun yung ano.
Oh, this
Yan na
one
ba?
again.
Wala pang na-announce, wala
Diba?
pang
Not,
na-announce.
not yet, not yet, not yet.
Ay, mali dodge ko. Am I dead?
Oo.
I'm sorry.
Oh no!
Oh!
Okay, okay lang, okay lang.
Sayang.
Nakulateral ako dun.
Diyan ka muna mag-buff up. Tapos if nag-ano, pasok sa 10.
Oh no! I'm pinned down!
I got you guys, I got you.
Yes, okay.
I saw that
I'm
way.
spamming it, spamming it, spamming, spamming.
Oh, please!
Ay na, ay na, ay na, ay na.
Dito muna ako.
Oh, I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
This
Please.
one more. Cute.
Oh, what?
Huh?
Abot
Oh,
ako?
gaging hari.
Abot ako?
Okay, that was that Mix? Ah, si Mix. Namatay
Ako.
pa rin si Mix.
Sa camp.
Ka?
What happened?
Ay, we.
What happened?
Okay, okay.
Noted.
Ganun yun.
Alam mo, tinry ko
Okay,
pumasa.
noted.
Siya, full map AoE.
Full map talaga.
Okay.
Okay.
Gets, gets,
It takes
gets.
up the entire map.
Wait. Okay. Alam ko, if you go inside the tent, you're safe.
Hindi, tinry ko, hindi ako nakaabot.
Ah,
Ay, so,
Ay, soda.
Okay,
Hi, I've
just
been
change
playing
my
so
ano.
many Mecha Chameleon, pre.
sana all.
I feel like cheating.
bakit?
If you guys can, sa gaming discussion.
Okay.
I'm the only artist in the group, pre.
Ay, yung meat.
Di ka lang mahal paano?
Yes, I feel like I'm cheating, pre.
Nag-post na ako.
Putting too much effort.
Okay, let this nightmare end.
Okay.
Never
so
gonna
na ako.
be, man.
Sayang talaga ng
Ready na
una
ako.
na yun. Nakulateral ako dun sa ano na yun. Sa... Pare pa kong attack yun.
Okay. Buti na lang, di ko pag ginagamit voucher ko.
Hindi ako rin eh. Wala akong
I'm
tiwala.
not putting
Use
a
it, pre. Use it. You gotta
No.
believe, pre. You gotta believe. Saan mo pa gagamitin yan kung di dito?
Faith.
Don't
Diyan
play,
This is
pre,
my
if you
last
can't believe.
voucher.
Join na kayo ah.
Sige na nga.
Saan mo pa gagamitin, pre?
Sige na nga.
Oh, fuck it!
Okay, join. Mali. Tama.
Let's go. Shaw Walker. Tara. Let's go. Ampon yan, pre. Natuto yan kay Catherine. Kaya mabalis siya.
Oo.
Okay. Marami pa akong pang life powder. I can
Ang
spam.
dami ko ng bugs. Nakakatawa.
It's just like Final Fantasy, pre. 13 runs, wala pa.
Ano na yung bugs ko? Ano nga pangalan nila? Ayun, okay.
Mag-rush
So,
ko mamaya.
napabili.
ano.
Mecha Chameleon.
Sige.
Pabili.
Magkano?
Pre,
Pero
I am chatting in my Steam, pre.
Sige, rough time mamaya.
Bilan kita ng ano, binding. Bilan mo ako ng Mecha Chameleon.
Niregalo lang sa akin to yung kaibigan
Eh, sige,
mo.
wag na.
Oh,
Sige, wag na.
Hindi, kausapin mo yung kaibigan niya.
Sabi ko, I'm Soda's friend as well. A friend of a friend.
Friend na ba, friend?
Help a friend of a friend.
This is fucking stupid. Annoying.
Okay.
Una ko yung shield.
I'm
Awit,
getting
bala na yun.
angry.
Cal Walker. Ano kaya magandang middle name niya?
Puta. Ay, hindi na ako.
Okay, di ko pa nakuha pa to. I swear to
sure.
God, if
Oh
tumal...
wait, no, not yet.
Imagine tumalon.
Pre.
Bakit?
Dapat ako-
Ayun na, Sid. Dalawa.
sabay. Ay.
Dalawa.
Nice.
Sabay na tamaan?
Yeah, sabay.
Did
Oh.
both of them hit? Did they
Yeah.
both register?
Yeah,
Good.
yeah.
Nice. Oh, fucking next level.
You're just killing a big boss. Pero ano, they've been at it for like...
Pre, where's my gambare?
Gambare!
Thank you, pre.
Pero bakit di ka na made outfit? What is this
Cheerleader na
bullshit,
lang.
bro? No, pre.
Well, where is your uniform?
And why aren't you in uniform?
Tornado kanino?
Nasa akin.
Oh, it's on Miguel.
Very good pwesto-ish. Ow.
Oh,
Oh, dodge that.
Okay.
ay!
Okay.
Ang gulo ah.
Tail,
Tail ulit.
tail.
Nice.
Ata. Aray ko.
Tornado.
I'm fine.
Sa akin. Napansin.
Wala akong maganda sa akin.
Dito lang siya. Okay na ko, okay, aggro. I'm gonna go to the other side.
Sige. Sharpen lang ako.
Okay, let's go. Come at me, pre.
Focus on that tail.
Nag-miss ako dun.
Tail. Oh, naman.
Tail shot.
That's one.
Di pa natanggal. Ay, mali. Tumaan mo.
Ako sa kamay niya, wait lang. Iba yung direction niya.
Tanggal ka.
Nice one, sakto.
Sharpen lang.
Me too.
Gotta get the tail.
Habulin ko. Final lang muna dyan.
Sige, kuli kay tail.
Sharpening.
On my way.
On my way.
On the way.
No, Prince, why did you leave?
Prince, why did
I'ma
you leave?
download the thing.
Ano download mo?
Ako na yung tornado.
Tira.
Okay. Nasa akin.
Oh, look at his arm.
Grabe mo meet the...
Oh wait, magra-wrap na?
Hindi pa,
Hindi
di
pa,
pa.
di pa.
Hello.
Wow.
Ang apat na...
So the cheer for us para manalo agad.
Akin yung
Tornado.
tornado.
Never
Asan
give
ka,
up.
Sasa?
Never surrender.
Thank you, pre.
Oh, it's on me. First
Very-
comment.
Thank you, pre.
Grabe
Ah,
ang meet
pwede,
na to.
pwede. It's not.
Ang detailed.
Aray ko.
Marami nung tatlo.
Tatlo yun,
Ulit ko
oh.
na ba yung wrap?
Ang mabait na, oh.
Meron na kami.
Meron na.
Tornado again.
Ang mabait.
Okay, ako na lang.
Yeah. Kaya yung dalawa ni Prince.
Na-download ko pa yung raft eh, after.
Nakuha ko.
Nice
I'm
one.
going to the other side.
The comment's all the way
Hoy!
over here, though.
Okay na. It's okay then. It's...
That's true. Siguro naman may isa pang meteor.
May tatlo.
Meron
Lalapit
pa
ko
yun.
ba na dito actually? Para
Meron.
siya.
Whoa!
Hindi to. Okay na yun.
Okay, guaranteed tatlo yung may tatlo pang meteor para apat na tao.
Pare ko. Tayo ko natatamaan ng katana mo. Ito,
My
COVID.
bad.
Kabilaan.
Go here, pre.
Oh, now it's stamina.
Sakto, alis ka dun.
I gotta heal. Why is he looking at me? He's looking at me!
Isa pang comment.
Oh no, he's looking at
Sa
me.
gitna na, sa
Nice
gitna,
one.
sa gitna.
Medyo lapit. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sharpening ako.
Nawala na yung aggro, nawala na yung aggro, nawala na yung aggro.
Yep. Kung tumama sa akin yan, my bad.
Oh no, Oh!
Nasa akin yung tornado?
Na-cancel ko.
Ano, cancel?
Na-cancel ko.
Ah, pagod siya.
To take the crystals sa umpisa ng map, pwede silang
Yeah.
pang-cancel ng tornado.
Sige.
Pacho peso, may ano siya, may,
Oh.
may comment. Layo nyo. Tornado.
Nasa akin? Malayo na.
Okay.
Okay, comment.
Oh my god, buti rin na dito ako. Meron dito.
Layo.
Pero sinurute ako doon ah.
Okay. Ooh.
Sed, akala ko, Sed.
Pre, I have 2 angels on my back, pre. Si Soda at si Prince.
Eh di kami, ano kami said?
May death na ba tayo?
Wala pa.
Siyempre
no,
kayo,
no.
allies.
No, don't jinx it. Don't jinx it.
No.
Namount
He's
ko?
asking.
Oh, nice.
Namount mo?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, sumabog ko.
Wow. Teka. Medyo magulo.
Going down na.
Okay. Aim ko yung ulo.
Wait, okay, there we go.
On the way sa ulo. Alis na ako sa ulo.
Oh, temporal. Temporal is back. Let's go, baby.
Comment.
Gitna.
Okay, buti na lang. Meron pa akong vitality. Ow! Nag-grab ako.
I got you. Oh,
Thank
sorry.
you. Alis mo na ako. May bleeding ako. Ay, na-tremble ako.
Sige lang.
Gabagool.
Cool.
Oh, medyo pangit. Okay, solid. Okay, placement.
Maganda yung placement.
Knockback.
Sharpening ako.
Sa akin?
Nice.
Tatabi ko konti dito. Patalikod. Dito. Yan.
Yep, nakapwesto na kami.
Oh,
I'm scared.
Break it, fuck.
I gotta sharpen up.
Yes!
Oh,
Isang
what
move
the
lang.
fuck? Oh, that's a comment. Yes.
Okay, babalik sa akin.
Oh,
Babalik sa akin.
maganda. Nasaan
Is that
na?
gonna be a
Yeah,
Break ka, broken.
Nice one.
Horn.
Pulo.
Nice.
Pulo. Sharpening.
Wait, he has a head to break.
Spin.
Yeah.
My bad.
It's fine. Just go and heal. We got plenty of these things.
Oh,
Lilipat ako ng pwesto.
I'm fine.
Dito ako.
Buti na lang ang daming healing bug na yun. Okay ah.
Lilipat ako ulit.
Sige,
Careful
sige.
kayo, baka madama kayo.
Sige, sharpening ako.
Sugod na ako.
Mega potion.
Layo ng bullshit arrange nun. Bullshit. Lock. Wait.
Gabagool.
Wala na yung agro niya.
Yep,
Yeah,
sakto.
he's just attacking everyone!
Let's go. I'm fine, I'm fine.
I'm fine, I gotta heal.
Potion ka, potion
Ito.
ka.
Meter,
you.
meter.
Comment.
Okay, nagkita.
Actually, it's a comment.
Okay lang.
Man, shut up.
Saan yung comment isa?
Oh, he's
Una siya.
paralyzed!
Dalawa na sa gitnang comet
I
yun,
missed.
dalawa gitna. Tapos isa na sa
Okay.
corner.
I'm gonna go for the head pa rin. Ay, nakuha ko ulit.
Should have gone for the head.
Sharpening ako.
Wait, Cute, are you gonna make it in time to the comments?
Yep.
Siya na malayo
Malayo.
sa'yo. Siya na malayo sa'yo. Siya na malayo
Hindi,
sa'yo.
okay lang, okay lang, okay lang, okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Trust, 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 eh, trust.
Sige. May isa pa naman tayong life eh.
Wala pang namamatay?
Okay.
Wala pa, wala pa, wala pa.
Ah, okay, alam mo. Okay.
Yeah, trust, 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 man, trust, man.
Ah, I dodged that.
Gonna get fucked. Kanina pa yung bush na dog sart na yan. Naiinis ako.
Yung ano?
Run, run, run,
Ayan
run,
na.
run, 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 run. Cute, you're not gonna make it.
Boy! I made it!
Parang ako umabot.
What a clutch!
Nagtutuwa. Okay, takbo, takbo, takbo. Una na ako, una na ako, una na ako.
Wala na na.
Wait, paano ako umabot dun?
I don't know, I dodge rolled. I couldn't see because of his fucking leg.
Na-timing mo, angas.
That was
Okay,
glorious.
okay.
Absolutely glorious. Hold on, I gotta start it. Oh my god.
Yun siya.
Ayun yan.
Wala pang agro, wala pang agro yan.
Oh, he's blocking the way. I can't get in. Oh, wait, never.
Okay, may
never mind, I
temporal
can.
na ako.
Tornado, tornado, tornado.
Oh,
Sorry,
it's on me,
Dennis.
it's on me. Putting it away.
Okay na siya. Not bad, not
I
bad.
don't. That looks like bad placement.
Wala pa akong vitality.
It's good, it's good.
Ah! Oh no! I'm about to die.
Oh.
I'm about to die. Bro, he summoned 3 tornadoes in a row. That's bullshit.
Aray ko.
Oh, temporal for the win.
Tornado.
Oh, it's on me again. Fuck's sake.
Yeah.
Ah, clutch sobra na ano ko,
Tumama yun.
vitality mantle ko.
Temporal na ako.
Somebody help Miguel. Ooh, he got hit by stalactites.
Thank you.
Honestly, I don't know what triggers that.
Yeah, I mean, neither do I. They seem
Pagod siya,
random.
pagod siya, pagod siya.
Think floor.
Oh, he's tired, he's tired, he's tired.
Spin!
Okay.
Ah, temporal.
Tornado!
Nakanino.
Dennis.
It's on Dennis.
Oh, it's on me.
Okay na siya, na siya.
On me.
Pwede na yun, pwede na yun, pwede na yun.
Why is every single tornado on me?
Spin!
Ah! Oh!
Okay.
Nasa gitna
Nakuha ko,
ako.
nakuha ko.
Kasi healing ako, healing ako.
I gotta heal.
So round 3, pre, round 3.
Sa last part na pala ko.
Putting on the vitality, man.
Nice one.
Ow!
Tignan ako matamaan.
So annoying! Oh my god.
Oh my god, no, oh my god, mamunti ka na ako doon.
Oh, I think there's too many tornadoes.
Dude, arami kong perfect block. Sunod. Spin!
Ah! Oh no!
Ah, wait.
Oh!
It's fine.
Oh!
Dennis, nutrient up.
Yeah.
Wait lang, wag mo yung atakin, wag niyong matakin. Antayin natin bumalik si Dennis, baka mag-meteor. Mag-ano siya.
Hindi, wala pang ano eh.
Ah, wala pa tayong comet.
Coming back.
Oh, tail.
Yep.
Yung spin yung pinakapahamak sa akin.
I think I might have fucked up the placement of the tornadoes. I'm
It's fine.
sorry.
It'll disappear soon. Oh, shimmy.
Sharpening.
Give me one. Damn.
Okay ba yung pwesto na to? Kasi ibayin ko kung pangit.
Ah, wala pa naman ba?
Comments yet?
Pwede, okay naman yung pwesta.
Hindi, okay, reset agro.
Oh, tail.
Yun, may one na rin ako. Nasa akin.
I'm good. Ako na.
Oh shit, kasama tayo.
Tired. Back in the game. Oh, never mind. Maybe.
Ah, maluwag na.
Oh my god.
Uy, buti ka na ako doon. Temporal, thank you.
Whoa.
Welcome back.
Na-dodge.
I'm fine.
Ah, 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 ah.
Meron kayong healing? Si Dennis.
Oh my god.
Trying right now, trying right now.
Sid! Oh my god.
Fine.
Oh my
I'm
god.
fine.
Tornado.
Sapunan.
Uy!
I'm fine.
Nasa akin.
Oh, the tornadoes are gone. Let's go.
Oh.
And give me healing.
Ow! Fuck, stop flying me.
Tira ako umalis. Ayoko maging greedy.
Tornado.
Nasa akin.
Bigyan.
It's on you, Miguel.
I'm gonna flash the next tornado. Di na natin kaya maraming tornado dito. Is that mount?
Oh shit. Oh no, I gotta heal.
No, hindi siya mount.
I got
Why
you.
can't I move?
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Alright ko. I'm fine. Nice one.
Down, knockdown!
Hindi ko kayo umatake. Nakulit.
Nice one.
Oh,
Na naman!
again.
Yes.
Just wail into him. Lay into him. Do everything.
Dude, ang perfect na ka na tornado. Nanakback ako sa temporal.
Nasa akin yung
Ay, hindi ko
tornado.
ma-flash to, hindi ko ma-flash.
Nasa akin.
Nice one.
No, hindi ko na-flash agad.
Come on.
Oh, super bad placement. Holy shit, the worst placement over. Nakaiga ako.
Nasa
Isa pa,
corner.
isa pa.
Very bad placement too. What the fuck?
Okay.
Layo, kailangan yung dala dito. Kailangan yung dalhin dito.
Because he's gonna break them so easily.
Oh.
Pumesto na kayo doon, ako sa inyo.
Why is it always on me?
There is this.
Na-flash ko.
Nice one.
Nice.
Drop it in.
Dude, that's the worst fucking placements ever. Doon na kayo ano kaya?
Ngayon, naantay.
I'm convinced he's trolling us.
Huh? Lugan ako.
Sisiraan niya.
Dito na.
Oh!
Nice, na-cancel.
I gotta heal.
Okay na ako. Punta na kayo doon. Tatalikod ko siya.
Oh my god, thank you.
Pumunta na kayo doon.
Hindi spam yung
Oh,
tornado.
fucking spam ng spam!
Oh my god! Laki!
Diyan lang kayo. Oh my lord.
Just stay by the comments. Stay by the comments.
Sige lang, sige.
Hindi spam yung
Like,
thunder, bro.
I believe in
Ayun,
you.
nice one.
I believe in you.
Come on.
Ang layo mo.
Okay lang. Tatayong ko na dito.
Gambare! Gambare!
Oh my lord, balik ka dito.
Oh!
Wait.
Umikot siya. Ikaw pa rin target.
Ganbare!
Oh, maros namin ako ilang pahihuli ko lang. Woo! Okay.
Oh, stalactites.
Uy, puta ka mo.
Oh. Temporal.
Is his aggro
Tatalikod ulit yan. Wow.
You know.
Ilan yung meteor?
Block.
Dalawa.
Yun
Dalawa yung
lang
comment.
talaga. Punta ka na dun, Seth. Ako sa'yo, punta ka na dun.
Malayo, Sid, malayo ah.
Hindi, may dalawa pa yan.
Dadash ko to pag ginagawa. Hindi. Seth, punta ka na dun. Dadash ko to, Seth.
Meron tayong
Hindi ko-
one life. Para kay Kino yun.
Na-reset.
Wala na. No!
Oh no, he's
Bupa,
attacking
bupa.
Please.
It's on me!
Ay, ayos.
Nice one!
Isa pa. Oh my god.
Thunderbolt! Oh!
Oh no!
Layo ko yung muna dyan ng kote. Pero don't so far.
Oh, God.
Lay.
Si Rani, isa eh.
No, he broke one!
Masira.
Putang ina! GG! doon na lang kayo, doon na lang kayo, doon na lang kayo. Pakadikit nyo doon, pakadikit nyo doon.
That's not coming. Protect
Pakadikit nyo
the
doon, that's the worst one.
It doesn't matter. Just protect it. Protect it. We
Can-
have to try.
Putang ina.
Ayun na, ayun na!
I'm running, I'm running, I'm running, I'm running.
Di ako abot, di ako abot.
Di abot si Mix, di abot si Mix.
Dodge
I'm
roll.
jumping.
Ah.
What?
Oh!
Ah!
You did it!
Na-timing ko yung gesture! Na-timing ko yung gesture! Na-timing ko yung gesture! Na-timing ko yung gesture niya! Na-timing ko! I fucking
Nice
panicked
one.
dead look! Oh
It's fine.
my god!
Mix, bilisan mo, gago.
Na-timing ko! Oh
Dude,
my
alahin
god!
namin. Said di
Nice
kaya
one.
abot.
I'm
Wala,
fucking
hindi ako
shaking!
umabot. It's fine.
Oh my god!
We did it! We did it!
It's fine.
Gago,
Na, hindi ko
Steve.
makarve.
Ah, ayaw mo na. Patay na natin.
Oh dude, nanginginig ako.
I need just 10
Sa tayo
seconds.
gesture.
Give me 10 seconds. Okay.
Ang dami yung carve like mga 6 carves.
It's
Yeah,
fine.
mga
Okay,
6.
15 seconds. At least maka 4 carbs ako.
Yes!
Grabe.
Main. Main. Okay, tail. Main. Yun, chick lang.
Oh my god, I'm so fucking
Main.
nanginginig ako sobra.
Tatlong carves.
Nanginginig ako sobra.
Grabe.
Look at all those materials!
Oof.
Ang
Grabe
dami ko
clutch yun, gago.
Shit lang.
Ass.
Oh
Dito ba ako
my
sa recording?
God,
I wanna
have
see
never
that shit.
Hindi na, hindi ko nakita yung jump mo.
Ah, sayang. Sid, nakita mo?
Oo. Dude, di ako umabot, sayang.
Hindi rin ako ang layo mo.
Slinger lahat tayo.
87, grabe.
We did it! We did it!
Si Prince naman susunod.
Grabe.
Good luck,
I'm
Prince.
fucking to the Series Handler.
とレリークセーテ
Tama ako sa'yo, Prince. Pag
Ay,
ikaw
dude,
naman.
check mo yung check mo yung armor nila, Mix.
Oh, nakita.
You will love
nakita
it.
namin.
It's literally made for nakita mo na?
Yeah.
It's literally made for Insect Lake.
Yes, you can return back to
Stop talking.
I peaked, pre. I peaked.
Nakachup yung emote din, gagi.
Na-clutch yung emote. Puti na nalinagi ko.
Grabe din.
Oh my god,
氷レリー
finally!
クダーネオラ
Finally!
レリークセーテ
Ay, Fatalis naman.
Fatality.
Ito na
Fuck
ito na
that,
ba
man.
yun?
Matagal
Yung
pa yan.
dragon?
Matagal pa yan.
Oh.
Matagal pa yan, pre.
Oh no.
Matagal pa yan, pre.
Ah,
Matagal
nakuha
pa
mo na
yan.
Nakuha mo na Mix, yung
dragon?
dragon na insect.
Guys,
It's a kidsect.
guys,
Check
Oh.
mo.
Oh,
Ang ganda na.
My
I
God.
still don't have enough to craft the behemoth sheer claw. I still don't
Oh,
have
good luck,
enough-
Dennis. Good luck, Dennis. Good luck, Dennis. Kaya mo na yan, Dennis. Play with strangers, Dennis.
Wait, na-save ba? Wait, nag-save ba if na ano?
Ewan ko.
If
Pinulos mo ba?
question
Like-
it?
Good luck, Sed.
Pre. Huwag ka ganyan.
Eh, tinanggal mo ba siya
Block
mismo
set.
like parang nag-tab ka lang? Nag-alt tab ka lang?
Oo, nag-alt-tab ako nung nag-ano siya yung it's not responding. And then nag-crash.
Oh my god.
Oh, blast.
Pwede din, ano,
No.
Migs,
Oh,
pag,
no.
if kinall out mo, lalabas yung dragon mo.
Okay,
Narinig ko
okay.
rin.
Wait, I'm checking if nag-save. Okay, HR 55 dapat ako.
Hindi siya na-upgrade rin.
Oh my god. I
Okay.
fucking hate that.
Okay, my god. Nag-save.
Kasi,
That was the worst.
nag-gable. Gable.
Pwede kay
If
craft.
hindi nag-save yan, magagalit.
Pwede craft? Ay, pwede agaf craft ni Migs, oh.
Ano yan?
Yung gable.
Uy, pwede. Uy, kailangan mo upgrade.
Yeah, kailangan ko
True
i-upgrade.
Gable. Dude, I
I'll
think
fix my inventory next time.
umabot yung lahat ng ano ko.
Pwede pa?
materials.
Pwede pa?
One go.
Pwede pa yun?
One
Oh,
go.
namax na niya yung gable niya.
Nice one.
Namax na niya.
Good luck sa inyong dalawa. Wala na akong pake.
Dude, yung armor! Dude, sobrang ganda ng armor. It's the endgame armor.
All I hear are flies. Okay na ako.
Bro, it's a 9-star quest.
Yung Draken.
Yung Draken, yung Draken.
Pre,
Ang ganda
Wait.
nun.
stream ko
Kita ko nga eh,
skin.
critical attack.
Critical
see.
boost. Attack boost.
Let's see if mabibuild ko yung ano.
I can craft 2.
Power prolonger.
Try mo, may
Power
mag-craft
prolonger. Yung best.
I was so scared. I thought we were fucking doomed. It's ironic how out of all of the hunts we've done, the one where we finally survive is the one with the worst fucking comet placement ever. Oh my god.
Grabe talaga yung clutch range
Are
yun.
you watching, pre?
Ay, where? Which
Naku,
one?
sobra. Ako nanginginig ako doon sa kanina na yun.
Tignan natin if makacraft ko lahat ng kailangan ko.
Go.
Meron na ako ng skirt armor. Kasi naswerte ako. Kasi naman ko rin si Kyun dun sa previous hunt niya. 1 2
Light work.
Oh! Nakuha ko!
Isa pa?
Kompleto
Oh,
mo?
you're so praise na lang.
I don't need yung helmet. Ito suot ko.
Kompleto ko na, Sed.
Kompleto ko.
Oh my god, wala nang kakalaban sa atin. Okay na tayo.
I wish I clipped that, man. Uy!
Tapos suot
May
ko
effects.
Dragon King.
Sabi naman to. Wait nga lang. Headshot ko nga to.
Money.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I don't have enough money, pero that's fine.
Oh,
Oh. Oh.
Fucking
oh.
Dragon.
Ano pangalan mo, pre?
It's a pet. Hindi to tao sa akin. Ano kaya pwede yung dragon sa kanya? Ano pwede yung
Prince,
dragon?
anong
yun?
magandang kulay? Maganda ba white?
Oh, White Knight.
Wait, baba ko sa brightness.
Magabagay sa
Ganyan.
buhok mo, gag.
Ganito.
Yeah. Mabagay sa ano mo.
What's a good
Mabagay
dragon
sa
name?
buhok.
Layered. Siguro,
Tingin nga ako sa YouTube. Hindi na YouTube.
siguro white? Pangit. Gray. Yan.
Ano yung magandang pangalan sa kanya? Blue
Kahit
shit.
build naman. Ang ganda ng ano.
Grabe.
Dude, ang dami ko.
What's a good blue?
Ted
What's
Riser
a good blue dragon
Ayan.
name?
Uy, evade extender, sige. Protection, sige. Ano ba ba? Meron ako to. Oh. Pat, earplugs.
Ano na lang pangalan niya? Yung dragon ka? Iris.
Ano? Ito, ngino.
Ito na lang. Pre.
Ang bagay niya tignan.
That's enough Monster Hunter for me.
Wait, Dennis.
Yes.
Wait.
What?
Oh, my drip.
Oh,
Holy shit.
yes, nice. Fucking sick.
Iris. Okay. Lumalaki na yung pamilya ko.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Yeah.
I'm so
Eugene, still the
shiny.
goat.
We are goaded.
Ano yung susunod natin? Yung mahirap niya, diba?
Cheddar cheese.
あおい
After this, hindi. May kailangan ba kayo na, We need to do Arch-Tempered Elder Dragons.
Oh god.
Tatapusin ko siguro yung mga optionals ko. Hanggang nag-aantay
Yeah,
pa.
we need to do them.
Hindi ko makomplete yung 4 stars eh. Kulang ako
Yan
ng
na
isang
lang.
mission eh.
Pre, I'm so shiny.
Asan ka?
You look like I don't know what you look like,
Kuwanag mo naman.
bro. You're so reflective. You're gonna the monsters are always gonna see you even if you crouch in a bush.
Wait, I want piss yellow.
No.
Oh, actually, tap ko gold ah. I like gold. Parang ano yun?
Nice.
Ang gaudy. Tignan.
Gothy?
Hindi, gaudy.
G-A-U-D-Y.
Godly.
Parang ayun, tacky ang itsura. Pink, purple.
That's it. Anyway, that's enough for me. I'm gonna go now.
Boy,
Okay.
Dennis.
I'm gonna fucking hunt it again, but I'll use the SOS flare and hopefully get a master rank. Master rank players can join high rank players.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh, we're absolutely
Ano nangyari sa buhok mo?
We're rocking the new fit, man.
Kada join mo dito tayo. Iba buhok mo.
Baby blue. I like baby blue. Pre, diamond armor.
Mohawk variant ni Kin.
Mo. Tapos nakuha yung ano na yun. Wait.
I'm
Yung
gonna
upgrade
go now.
mo, ano?
Bye.
Bye, Dennis.
Bye.
Grabe. Alright, stop
Pagod
recording na ako. 1 hour 40 minutes tayo dun.